from the pavilion end.
Cheeky shot, but does very well. Improvising to a nicety on that occasion. Nadeem knows exactly what he's doing. Picking his spot to nicety.
I think good improvisation on this occasion. Just scooping the ball over the fine leg fielder. Gets a boundary. Sensible cricket.
And definitely problems here for Mihir Diwakar because so far he's been very expensive.
I think he's struggling with his line today.
Once again, good delivery that one. Yorker length. The wicketkeeper fumbling, resulting in a bye. Talking about Mihir Diwakar so far, in his 2.2 overs, he's yielded 24 runs. Now he's the experienced campaigner, he's got a lead from the front. Ishank Jaggi there, the captain of Ranchi Rangers, lost yesterday.
It's really good to see him back on the ground. And this is a very useful partnership of 63 of just 34 deliveries. This has changed the scenario.
Yes, you're right. I think this is indeed a very useful partnership, just coming at the right time for the Shades. They're desperately looking for this. Nadeem has played very sensibly. He's rotated the strike. But the shining star really has been Ramiz, the man who's given the impetus to the innings so far. Played some delightful strokes all around the park. The leading run getter so far in the tournament, Ramiz Neemath. Once again in the air and beautifully done. That's a treat to watch. That is exciting cricket. Cricket at its best.
They are on the rampage now, going after everything. Just coming down the track, hitting straight as an arrow. One bounce and it goes.
And just see the ease with which he comes down the track against a medium pacer. I just feel, Gautam, on this kind of deck, the seamers are really struggling. Be it Diwakar, be it Jaskaran Singh. They ought to get back the spinners. Bhima Rao looked impressive. Really no point with no help for the seamers out of the deck. It looks really easy going for the batsman. Nadeem on 32 of just 19. He's played a cameo.
I think the fast bowlers are struggling. It's a flat wicket. You have to just come down the wicket, just hit it with the straight bat, and it goes.
Once again in the air. It's just a single to end the over. 148 for 3.
Ajay, we have to see now whether they get 170 or 180, because both the batsmen are well set. They are going after everything now. They are not scared to come down the wicket. There you see the crowd having a gala time. They are enjoying. There you see the cheerleaders.
Yes, absolutely. The big festival of Holi is tomorrow. But it's like a festival here. Great cricket, great entertainment. This has been the bowling so far for Jambaz. Just see the seamers I was mentioning. Krishnatri 3 for 30. Diwakar, the captain, 3 for 31. And Jaskaran Singh as well has been very expensive, 3 for 29. But the spinners, they have stemmed the flow of runs. Rao 1 for 4, picking 1 wicket. For strange reasons, he was taken off. That was a surprise to me. Manoj Singh back in operation. He looked impressive early on. Just felt Diwakar has made a mistake because he's persisted too long with his seamers. There looks to be a good track for the spinners. There is some turn, some purchase for them.
Yeah, that's good running on that occasion. You're right, Ajay. He has made a mistake. We get 150 on board.
Plays it beautifully in the gap. Chase for the fielder. Easy couple of runs. 152 now for the Shades. Still 10 deliveries left. We were mentioning earlier, Gautam, that 160 would be a very good score. And they could really go past it. Ramiz on 75. The good thing now, both the batsmen are looking for shots, and they have the wickets in the back as well. That's good running. That's excellent running. Running the first one hard and then scampering back for the second.
Yeah, Ajay, that's good running. This is what is required in a final. There you see on your screen. Off the back foot. Two is the call. And they get it easily. He's in.
And with those couple of runs, Ramiz is the only batsman in the tournament who's crossed the 300 mark. Good delivery in the block hole. That's the experience of Manoj Singh. Just ambling across. Looks to be a bit tired. Pretty warm out there.
He's a tired man. Scored a 50 yesterday and batting at 78 at the moment. I hope he gets 100.
Yes, he looks to be a batsman who's got a lot of hunger for runs. And that's so very important for Indian batsmen. That big appetite. Full toss, poor delivery, and smashed away. Over the ropes once again, another boundary. That's poor bowling. Easy pickings for the batsman, who is so well set.
Well, you can't afford to bowl full toss, especially to the set batsman. There you see, one bounce over the ropes.
Once again playing beautifully, man in the deep. He can't do too much. It's another boundary to end the over. What an over this has been for the Shades. They are going hammer and tongs at the moment. They have just stepped the ante. And just see that for a strike, Gautam.
That's a good shot. Good follow through. One bounce, it goes. They're making a merry at the moment. 163 for 3 after 19. Last 6 balls to go. And we have to see whether they get 15 or 20 runs of the last 6 or not. Very good follow through. Headway still and times it too well.
Yes, so the last over of the innings coming up. The good thing for the Shades, they have 2 set batsmen there who are really middling the ball very nicely. Ramiz really has been the shining star. He's batted beautifully. Krishnatri back. He's been a bit expensive so far. I remember yesterday he bowled a very impressive second last over of the semi-final game. That was over. That really changed the complexion. And that's probably the reason they are playing the final. But now he's got to deliver here. In the air, not very convincing.
आराम से आराम से आराम से अबे आराम से
Score 164 for 3. I beg your pardon. The last over, the last 5 deliveries. Nadeem on strike. And that's Ramiz on the non-striker. Slight change In field, third man coming up. Point going to the fence.
Shuffling across and does very well. The best part about this partnership, Gautam, has been the way they have maneuvered the strike with a lot of ease. This is exactly what we were mentioning earlier as well. It's really easy going against the seamers on this kind of wicket. The big surprise to me is that a man like Bhima Rao, who was so impressive in his only over, hasn't bowled after that. That's the
why-
baffling part.
Well, that's why surprising. Oh, that's high in the air and easily gone. That's out. Ramiz is out. Wanted to hit it over mid-wicket. Didn't time it. Top edge. Straight to the fielder at mid-wicket.
But certainly this wicket coming too late in the day.